Halo, Swastiastu. Jani persiapan ngai kene ngilet sate ikan. Luluh sate pembeli. Ini ajak Pak Man jemo serali nih. Terus Jani ngetop kene malu, ngetop papah nyuh anggo katik nih. Nah, Jani lanjut ngelilet sate dulu sate Jani lilet merep pro nang ngilet nih tapi je engal njak dua nob nih nob lah bos sate ya Pak Widiano
Lah, sama lagi lu. Rồi đấy, đi mua nó cắt đâu.
Oke, Jani buka di lokasi Mangang. Yuk ke lanjutan, Jani ke lokasi Mangang nih. Mau berdagang, mau ngapa barang-barang nih liu cara nakal berdagang kan ini. Inilah tempat manggang kita hari ini, tempat bakar sate kita hari ini. Lihat pemandangannya, banyak lonte-lonte.
It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. Oh, I know it. Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock ticks life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. I watched the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, but I didn't even know I wasted it all just to you go. I kept everything inside, even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter, yo. I had to fall to lose it all.
Oh, Jani ada pengapi nih maklo aja. Sengken penyapan bagiannya dari cut dan bagiannya apang cara ngenah hingal saning itu papi padahal yang tuni kewah aja cepat kan nih hasil pertama coba malu nah wih kelejaannya wah mantap jangan saja coba mulai jangan ya oh
Film Korea.
It all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. My trust in you pushed as far as I can go. Yo, chalo. Like this, there's only one thing I should. You should. Everybody should. No, I put my trust in my cow. Yo, pushed as far as my dotty can go. For all this, there's only one bias of I should know. I tried so hard, so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to follow.
hasil manggang sate Jani saatnya memakannya mengamahnya menglekleknya ya mengelakkannya misi pemandangan luwung jadi misi bonfire keadaan bahasa Inggrisnya bahasa Indonesia apa dan apalagi bahasa Bali nih yang penting jadi pemandangannya luwung misi sunset kan lana main ngamah mi do peto kan apa
This was brought to you by Dre and Tarinder.
Nah, jadi bos Wodo, nih grup CGT. Apa yang Anda pikirkan pertama kali ketika mendengar CGT? Salah. Kopit Grill Team.
Pesawat jadi tiga pernah salah.
Oh, jadi bo kali ke berapa sana nih mangga acaranya? Nah, ketiga apa keempat nah?
Keempat. Siap
Pertama
malu.
siap.
Sing ketiga.
Kedua siap sing.
Sing pertama siap. Merja embe. Marja aja nih.
Siap pertama
Saya siap pang dua.
Siapa pertama ragu sana.
Oh, sing milu aja dua.
Oh, nah. Anggota baru dah kok.
Konen kene guys tuh.
Bentuk CGT.
Oh, konen ngelah ide ngai CGT guys tuh. Nah, yang penting jadi bawa pragat benpok ya.